Hello everyone, welcome back again. And today we will tie a mullet with the original colors and shape and size that I did it uh, way back. It's another classic fly that been doing good to me pretty much anywhere for anything possible. I've been fishing with it, and I want to show you and share it with you how it gets done. It's very simple, it's not complicated, relatively fast. So once you get the hang of it, you'll see it. You're gonna be good and you will have no problem. So I have the materials almost over here. I'm gonna quickly put that together. Put the stuff away. And there will be three colors: white, bronze for the top, and white for the bottom, and pink for the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the colors quickly. Just like that. Okay, once I'm done, put it back in the bag so that I don't have to kind of worry about it. White. Remember, the less fibers you use it, the better it is. Because if you put a lot of fibers, the fly will have the tendency to float. As we all know, the P fibers, the original ones, they don't absorb water. So if you bucket up the fly, that means it will trap more air into the fibers and it will float. So just put it the right amount so that the fly, once it touches the water, it's going to sink down to the rates you want. Grab some pink, very little pink. The color in between, no matter what color you were using, needed to be used a little bit, not much. I mean, I can really count the fibers over here in this case if I really want to. But I go by eyes. There you go. I got my flash ready. I got my scissors, my threads, and the hook. The hook will be an S615 to what? This size will cover me a lot of terrain, from stripers to baby tarpon, you name it. So there we go. We started. Just at the end of the hook. Grab a little more silky fibers. So we have one here for the gills. You will probably don't know or don't remember that originally when I started putting the gills on the flies, I used to use a crystal flash in red, which is a metallic color. But what happened is with the crystal flash, once it gets weight and a little bit deep, like 3, 4 feet, 5 feet, it will turn black. You don't show the redness of the color. So I switch it to the silky fibers, and I can see those little gills 1 mile away. So I'm happy with that, and I've been using the silky fibers actually for quite some times. The little, this was a little bit too short. This Pearl Magic is a mix of the three colors, like that. And here we go. Let's do this little mullet. Okay, we got the length. I wanted this flies to be roughly 3.5 inches long. Okay, just like that. So this is my top tail part. I'm gonna go with the white. Good. We have to leave a space in between so that we can tie in the pink. Here we go. Make sure you have a plenty of room in between, which we do. That's my pink. Oh, there she is again, chasing the squirrel. But they're smarter than she is. They run into the trees. There you go. Alright. Gonna put a little flash. I use this holographic silver. It's a nice color combination. Make sure I got everything where it belongs to. Looks good to me. So in this case, I am going to put a drop of glue. Okay. We're going to repeat the same step. We go back to the top color. This color is an excellent color, especially if you're fishing in the mangrove. You know, this bronze color with the white top, it's a really nice color. I've been doing quite well down there, or anywhere I've been fishing in the mangrove. So I will suggest you to add a couple of these flies always with you, so that you cover. Again, make sure you leave a space in between to put the pink. Right there. So it goes fast, and once you get to know how to deal with the fibers, it's not really that complicated. I mean, I have some little bit more time-consuming flies, which we're gonna go down there in a little bit. But this guy over here, it's fairly easy. Flash. There you go. We get in there. This looks good. Drop of glue. There you go. Hey, you want to play, huh? Is that what it's all about? It? You want to play, right? But let me deal with this first, okay? And then we'll play a little bit. Promise. There you go. That's my white for the bottom. I'm gonna split this in half, and I'm going to use F in one side and from the other side. Just like that. There you go. Got them all. Drop. Save the little piece which I use at the end. One more white on both sides. Almost finished. Yeah, almost at the end of here. Okay, there it is, my little leftover bronze. That's the last one. Okay, as you can see, I left enough room to put the wig guards, and I'm gonna put the wig guards now so I can show you how to trim it with the wig guards. But if you rather trim it and then put the wig guards, feel free to do that. I already got pre-cut my 20 pounds hard monofilament mason. I don't need to use anything else. These guys are pretty tough and hard. Just like that. Gonna go the other way around. A little bit more so that will push that way. Oops. Happens. And when that does, don't worry about it. You start all over again. Come on, girls. They're already on the tree. You can't get it. Yeah, what I do is just seal the whole thing over here. always good to have it, the wing guards. If you don't need it, you can always trim it out. And now I'm gonna show you how to trim this little guy. Okay. So we simply just, it's a good idea always to take a look at the fly and see, okay, how am I gonna trim this guy over here? So in this case, this is gonna be my mullet, so it's gonna be nice and thin. So at this point, you just, brush it out, mix all the fiber together with the flash and everything. See how nice and full it is, like a mullet. That's what you really want on this fly, nice and full. So there will be a very little trimming over here all around. I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. Very little, especially on the side. I'm not really touching the side over here. See that? I barely trim it this far. So I'm happy the way it is. So I'm gonna put it back into the vise and put the eyes on it. Once you put the eyes, we're good to go. We're gonna have to make a room for the eyes, so we'll carefully burn it. I don't know if you can see it. So that we got the room for the eyes. There you go, the other side. Okay, got plenty glue. This goop from Zap is just great. The formula is just what I really needed, because it's so pliable that it will penetrate into the fibers as well. So I'll take a look at it. And there you go. I tried so many other goops out there. They're all giving me a hard time. But this guy finally, there you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little mullet over here. Of course, you can do 3.5 or 4 to 5 inch or whatever you might need it for. But in this little mullet over here, as I say, has been really great to me. Pretty much from northeast to down to the Florida and any else where I go fishing and looking for anything that swims out there. Anyway, I say thank you to stick around with me, and hopefully I will see you soon. Take care.